What are the common mistakes of stock market investors while researching a stock? Industry expert Amrita will explain this now.
Getting infatuated with certain stocks and again thinking that looking at all the positive reports of that stock, looking at those stocks with rose tinted glasses and ignoring negative news about it. Second is that a lot of employees, as you are employees maybe working in IT companies or whatever companies, a lot of employees invest into shares of their own companies, employees and their ESOPs. And that's classically what happened with IBM employees. They thought that IBM operating system is the best operating system in 1996. And never did they realize that Microsoft will come with a better operating system. And what happened was that IBM share prices went down, Microsoft market share went up, IBM laid off a lot of employees, and all those employees who were buying IBM shares, they not only lost their job, but they also saw that their share value had depreciated. Similarly, a lot of you would be working in pharma sector, MNC sector, this sector, that sector, technology sector, and we want to buy stocks only of our sector. So that is also a confirmation bias because we feel that our sector is too good to be too big to fail. But please have some pessimism. If there is opportunity in one sector, there are opportunities and wealth creation capabilities in other sectors as well. Strongly believing in predetermined screens that no, I will only buy high dividend yield stocks. I will only buy high price to book value ratio stocks or low price to book value ratio stocks. So as much as low PB stocks have done well, as equal number of high PB ratio stocks have done well. As much as high dividend yield stocks have done well, equal number of low dividend yield stocks have done well. So there is no study that says that you have to buy only companies that pay high dividends, companies that are very high on their assets, nothing like that. As I've said, research is very, very fundamental and wholesome. It starts with company visits, understanding the governance, looking at different types of financial statements, different types of ratios, and not one or two ratios.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.